Today me and my uncle Dinglenut went to Walmart and bought 20 gallons of pink sauce.
I do PG-13 things to jars of mayonnaise.
Oh god, he's about to sneeze. I'm away. Lord, please protect anyone within a 100-mile radius of that house. Should I buy this or this? What's that noise? Ah! Beautiful day. Hey, what's that? What's that?
Why is the ground shaking?